Center of Excellence, Divisional Public School, Lahore, Mathematics Lecture 3 for KG class. Assalamu alaikum dear publicans. I'm Mrs. Rifat Aslam and you are my cute publicans. I welcome you to the Math Lecture 3. I hope you are enjoying your vacations at home, isn't it? Okay, let's see the topic of the day. The topic is what comes after, the after numbers. What comes after? After, what is the afters mean? Okay, let's ask someone else. Ali, can you tell us what is the meaning of after number? The number that comes after the given number is called after numbers. Wow, the Ahmed is there. Ahmed, can you tell me the after number? Really? Come on, let's see. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 0? It's very easy. 1. What comes after 1? 2. Now tell me what comes after 11? 12. What comes after 12? 13. That's very good. Now you know the after numbers. Let's see some more numbers. 4, 5, 23, 24, 29. What comes after 29? Let's see. It is 30, 32, 33, 54, 55, 59. What comes after 59? 60. Let's do some practice. What comes after 3? Yes, what comes after 3? Come on, tell me. Okay, you know that. It is 4. What comes after 19? 20. What comes after 24? 25. What comes after 31? 32. What comes after 54? 55. Now tell me what comes after 69? Yes, it is 70. Very good. Now you know the after numbers. Now let's do some more practice for your workbook. So now the concept of what comes after is clear to you. Okay. So tell me what comes after 55, 56. What comes after 68? 69. What comes after 78? 79. And what comes after 86? 87. That's good. Now you know the concept. बच्चों अगर आपको काउंटिंग 0 till 100 अच्छी तरह से याद होगी तभी आप इसको जल्दी से कर पाएंगे. इसलिए आपने काउंटिंग को बहुत अच्छी तरह से याद करना है. Okay, dear publicans, note down, do enough practice of what comes after numbers in your notebooks and in your workbooks also. Okay, dear kids, this is the end of this lecture. Keep calm, more work is coming. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for joining us and keep in touch with us on DPS Media. Thank you again.